Hey folks, Peter Hansen's here in the Napa Valley just outside San Francisco on Sunday the 9th of June, enjoying a lovely day at the wineries here and gearing up for the Databricks Data+AI Summit. Outside and inside the Moscone Center, a massive transformation has occurred in the last few days, transforming the venue from a snowflake blue now to the yellow of the Data+AI Summit. Databricks has created a healthy space between its brand and the summit to foster what appears to be a more open space for its ecosystem partners. It will be interesting to see how that translates at the conference with so much dynamism at play in the market. So on to the summit and what to expect. Last week at Snowflake, I would have gone all in on the major talking point being generative AI, but table format stole the show. Once again with Snowflake announcing Polaris on Monday evening, and then Databricks announcing its acquisition of Tabular.io on the Tuesday morning. There was still a raft of AI and ML announcements, so I'm expecting the same here at the Data+AI Summit. So for predictions this week, I've borrowed a tweet from Neelish, a popular Zeta in the data engineering space. He's mentioned that Mosaic and DBRX will be popular, Delta and Spark going V4, as well as Photon updates, more Spark Connect updates, and then of course some announcement around Iceberg integration into the Lakehouse ecosystem. Stay tuned for more updates from me in the coming days as we get deeper into the conference. Ciao for now.